Stop scrolling. Are you ready to discover the fountain of youth hidden in your kitchen? Imagine having the unstoppable energy, laser focus, and robust sexual vitality of a man half your age, even well into your late 70s. My own 75-year-old uncle is living proof that aging doesn't mean slowing down, and his secret weapon is this simple, delicious coffee recipe he drinks every single morning. This formula is scientifically engineered to boost circulation, stabilize blood sugar, and naturally support testosterone, acting as a powerful, daily anti-aging elixir for men's performance and sexual longevity. If you want to unlock the secrets to lifelong stamina and consistently surprise your partner, you need to know this urologist-backed recipe. Keep watching now to master this blend and its profound effects on male health optimization. Hello, and welcome back to Men's Health, the premier channel dedicated to science-backed strategies for achieving peak male vitality and lifelong confidence. I'm Dr. Katrina, a board-certified urologist and men's health specialist, and my mission is to provide you with the clinical truth to optimize your health through simple, powerful daily routines and natural performance hacks. Today, I am thrilled to share a deeply personal and professionally validated secret, a specific coffee recipe that my 75-year-old uncle drinks diligently every single day. This routine is the key to maintaining his incredible vitality, youthful appearance, and robust sexual health. This is not a pharmaceutical solution or a short-term fix. It's an integrated nutritional strategy that strategically leverages the synergistic power of common, natural ingredients. The goal is to comprehensively support the key physiological systems that typically decline with age, primarily vascular health, hormonal balance, and efficient energy metabolism. By making this simple blend a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, you are making a powerful, proactive investment in sexual longevity and overall men's health optimization. This drink consistently provides smooth, sustained energy, actively strengthens the body from within by supplying essential micronutrients, and offers a smooth, delightful texture that makes its consumption an easy, routine pleasure. The consistent energy and improved circulation it fosters are directly linked to enhanced stamina and confidence in all areas of life, especially in men's performance. Bananas, the electrolyte, stamina, and heart health base. We begin this extraordinary recipe with the foundational ingredient that provides both clean energy and crucial electrolytes, a ripe banana. It is absolutely crucial for the success of this blend to use a ripe banana because its increased natural sweetness minimizes the need for any added refined sugar, and its nutrients, particularly its starches, are more readily digestible and absorbable. We will carefully peel the banana, as we only require the fruit inside, and then slice the banana into small, uniform rounds. This slicing technique is essential because it significantly makes the fruit easier to process, ensuring it blends into a flawlessly smooth, creamy texture. Beyond the common knowledge, it's fascinating that bananas are botanically classified as large berries. More crucially for men's performance and vitality, they are incredibly rich in two essential electrolytes, magnesium and potassium. Potassium is fundamental for regulating blood pressure and maintaining optimal cardiovascular health, the absolute bedrock of strong erectile function and male vitality. Magnesium supports vital muscle relaxation and nerve function, playing a key role in combating chronic fatigue and muscle cramps. The natural complex sugars and fiber also ensure a steady, clean release of energy. We will place the sliced banana directly into your high-speed blender, creating the initial creamy, electrolyte-rich base for our powerful natural energy booster and anti-aging formula. Cinnamon, the longevity spice, blood sugar regulator, and natural vasodilator. Next, we strategically introduce a powerful, intensely aromatic component known throughout history as the spice of longevity, cinnamon. For this recipe, I insist on using one whole cinnamon stick. Its complex, warming aroma is incredible and is a direct sign of its high concentration of active compounds. Cinnamon is a critical, clinically relevant ingredient for men's health because it actively helps to balance blood sugar levels. Maintaining stable, non-spiking blood sugar is vital for protecting the delicate vascular endothelium and preventing insulin resistance, a major underlying physiological cause of erectile dysfunction, ED. and metabolic decline in aging men. Furthermore, cinnamon is a potent antioxidant that naturally strengthens immunity and possesses well-documented thermogenic properties. We must grate the cinnamon stick as finely as possible to ensure the maximum release of its active compound, cinnamaldehyde, which is responsible for both its flavor and its potent health benefits, including a subtle vasodilatory effect. This meticulous process ensures the full flavor and powerful medicinal benefits are easily integrated into the drink. For added context, cinnamon is fantastic for naturally warming the body and soul on chilly days, enhancing internal circulation and comfort. We will add the freshly grated cinnamon to the banana in the blender, combining the sustained sweetness with the critical metabolic regulator for peak performance. Honey, the natural antiseptic, antioxidant, and youth elixir. Now, let's introduce the natural sweetener that performs dual duty as a functional health ingredient: raw honey. I strongly recommend using natural, raw honey specifically because it adds a clean, complex sweetness and provides essential, bioavailable extra health benefits that are often destroyed in pasteurized honey. We will carefully measure out about 2 generous teaspoons of honey and pour it directly into the blender. Honey is a globally recognized natural antiseptic and a potent energy booster, truly an elixir of youth that provides immediate support for the body's natural defense and recovery systems. Its rich blend of enzymes and antioxidants aids digestion, while its complex sugars provide a highly measured energy source that helps stabilize blood glucose, preventing the rapid energy spikes and crashes associated with refined sugars, crucial for maintaining consistent stamina and sexual longevity. Milk, the calcium source, recovery agent, and smooth texture. Next, we integrate the creamy liquid base that helps in nutrient absorption and muscle recovery. We'll need about 2/3 cup, 150 milliliters of milk. I highly recommend using warm milk for this specific recipe, as the warmth facilitates the quick dissolution of the honey and cinnamon, resulting in a noticeably smoother, more comforting, and consistent taste. We will pour the milk into the blender and then blend all the ingredients thoroughly until they achieve a perfectly smooth consistency. Milk is rich in calcium, which is essential for strengthening bones and teeth, a crucial component of aging well and maintaining long-term physical male vitality. It also contributes the necessary creamy texture that makes this secret coffee recipe so exceptionally delicious and routine-worthy. The creation of a smooth, emulsified base is critical for maximum nutrient bioavailability and optimal digestive comfort. Coffee, the metabolism, focus, and erectile blood flow boost. The key to the powerful energy in this energizing coffee recipe is a precise, measured amount of instant coffee. We need just a small, but highly potent, amount, about 1 level teaspoon of high-quality instant coffee. I stress measuring out precisely 1 teaspoon to ensure the coffee flavor remains mild enough to blend perfectly with the other complex flavors, yet bold enough to deliver a noticeable caffeine kick and its critical associated men's health benefits. We must first dissolve the coffee in about 1/3 cup, 100 milliliters of hot water, ensuring the granules are completely mixed and the solution is homogeneous. Now, we will pour the dissolved, concentrated coffee into the blender with the other ingredients. The caffeine in the coffee is the final, powerful piece of the puzzle for peak performance. Beyond immediate alertness, coffee not only energizes, but also significantly boosts metabolism and enhances systemic blood circulation, making it a perfect ally for maintaining an active lifestyle, supporting a healthy body composition, and, most relevantly, promoting crucial erectile blood flow through subtle vasodilation. This carefully measured dose of caffeine, synergistically buffered by the complex fats and sugars from the banana and honey, provides a sustained, smooth release of energy that perfectly supports sexual stamina without the sudden crash or anxiety associated with drinking strong coffee alone. Ice, the refreshing frappe for optimal consumption. Finally, to create the signature, enjoyable texture that makes this drink so easy to consume daily, we will add a few strategic ice cubes, just enough to create a delightful chill and volume. We then blend everything together one last time until the ice is perfectly crushed and integrated, creating a light, frothy, frappe-like texture. This refreshing, cool finish is the perfect contrast to the warming effects of the cinnamon and coffee, making the drink enjoyable year-round and ensuring consistent consumption for long-term men's health benefits. And that's it. Our powerful secret coffee recipe is ready. Just pour it into a tall glass and enjoy immediately. This drink is far more than just incredibly tasty. It's a strategically formulated nutritional intervention packed with health benefits that directly and holistically support men's vitality and sexual health. The science behind why this simple routine works so effectively for my 75-year-old uncle lies in the perfect synergy of its components, directly addressing the root causes of age-related decline, vascular support, and circulation. Potassium from the banana and caffeine work synergistically to maintain healthy blood pressure and improve circulation. This optimized blood flow is the fundamental physiological mechanism required for achieving and maintaining strong erectile function and overall cardiovascular strength. Metabolic and hormonal balance. Cinnamon actively stabilizes blood sugar, which minimizes vascular damage and inflammation. Magnesium, from the banana, supports hundreds of critical enzyme reactions, including those involved in the synthesis and regulation of testosterone production. The coffee provides a natural metabolic lift, ensuring efficient energy use. Sustained energy and focus. The intelligent combination of complex, natural sugars from the banana and honey with the measured stimulating effects of caffeine creates a smooth, crash-free energy curve. This stable energy is crucial for maintaining both physical stamina and the mental focus and confidence necessary for peak sexual performance and lifelong intimacy. This daily routine is designed to powerfully energize you, strengthen your body by supporting key nutrient levels, and genuinely surprise you with its smooth, invigorating texture and sustained effects. Friends, if you want to unlock the proven secrets to sexual longevity and peak male health that transcend age, please like the video right now, subscribe to Men's Health, and share your results or personal health secrets in the comments below. See you next time, and may your health and male vitality continue to blossom alongside you. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or health objectives. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have watched or read here. Reliance on any information provided by this video or the channel is solely at your own risk. Before starting any new diet, supplement regimen, exercise program, or making any changes to your current medical treatment, you must consult with a healthcare professional.